How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario and this is MediaBoxEnt. So today I'm going to have an open box of the NVR from Reolink. Now the whole package comes with 4 cameras, 12 megapixel UHD. Now the NVR comes with 2 terabyte. It can record 24/7. Now Prime Day is coming up July 11 and 12. And it's going to be a great saving on this particular product that I'm going to show you today in open box. And I want to make sure you guys be able to grab that savings. I'm going to leave a link below this video. It's going to be an affiliated link. And remember, July 11 and 12, it's going to be a great saving on this product. So you guys have to check that out. Coming up soon. Let's begin now the open box. So let's begin the open box on the Reolink 12 megapixel wire and security camera. Now remember, this is PoE, power over the Ethernet. What it makes it super easy to install because the only thing you need is an Ethernet cable. Now make sure the seal is not damaged. All right, it says there, make sure it's not damaged. So when you get it, make sure that it's sealed. And we can see they have 2 boxes. So one we should have the NVR and the other one all the cameras. So there is more all the boxes, and let's check it out exactly what we get. So my first box is going to be the main unit. Now this unit can record 24 hours a day, so 24/7 continue recording. It has a 2 terabyte drive already included, and you can upgrade all the way to 12 terabyte. That allows you to install up to 8 channels. So it comes with the 4 cameras, so we can put an extra 4, or we can upgrade as we go. We got 4, then we can upgrade 5, 6, all the way to 8. The nice thing with this is super simple to install because it only requires 1 cable. Now the NVR system from Reolink is super compact, as you see. And remember, it's going to be able to record 24/7. And allow you also to output to a regular display. I'm going to show that in a second. You can see all the controls in the front. Even we have also in a USB input. There you can connect your mouse. Even you can connect a keyboard as well too. Comes with the mouse, by the way. Now the Reolink unit comes with plenty in input and output. We have a audio output and a USB, HDMI, even VGA, and a SATA connection for an external drive. In total 8 channels, and to connect up to 8 cameras. Remember, the system comes with 4, and you can connect another 4. So now let's see exactly what we get in the next box. Even comes with the HDMI cable if you're going to be connecting this to a regular display, or you can use it in a VGA. Now we can see we have the patch cable that's going to connect it to your router. We have the mouse, so that way you can configure the unit. You can add a keyboard if you want. And for the power adapter and the power supply to power up the unit and the cameras. So now we can see exactly what we got out of the box. So now let's take a look at the cameras now. Now remember, the cameras are a 12 megapixel and Ultra HD. So we have the instructions, and no guess when you have to make a hole because it comes with the stickers and you can make the hole in the right place. That's to waterproof the connections, the RJ45 cables, and also we include 4 RJ45 cables. We have all the screws to mount the cameras, another RJ45 cable. Now the cameras are the 12 megapixel H.265 Ultra HD in the power over the internet. Let's look at the connection for 1 second. That's the reset switch. That's for external power. No worry, you don't need to use that. The only thing it requires you to use is the RJ45 cable. That's what it says, power over the internet. Now the camera right in the front, we can see right away it has an infrared light and 2 LED lights. That's why this one has a night vision, color night vision. I can see it well built. compact, and besides will give you a good resolution because it's Ultra HD in a 12 megapixel in the H.265. So now we can see the whole entire package. One advantage of this security system is continue recording. This one is 8 channel, so you can add another 4 cameras. Remember the package comes 4. And by the way, the only thing requires is the Ethernet cable. Not extra power, not extra cable. They are super easy to install. Right below this video, I will give you all the information you need to get the Reolink security camera right now. Remember, it's an affiliated link, but always the price is the same. And by the way, my next video, I'm going to show you the whole configuration. Once again, I'm Dario, and this is MediaBoxEnt. I'll see you in my next Reolink video. Bye.